look at this. This is Yamaha R1 2004. It was stolen, so I bought like a project. Looking like this, no number plate. I need number plate. Plastic all around is damaged. Everything damaged. Akropovich exhaust looks is very good. Probably will be nice sound. Tires not bad condition as well. Carbon scratches on the handles. Wires hanging everywhere. Like no idea why. The front light, the front nose is damaged as well. This side even broken. I have that piece over there I just removed. So yeah, basically it's quite a bad condition now. So it's the worst here. Plastics is alright, I can buy probably a Chinese one or something like that. That was the worst one. Look at this. I need new lock, new keys. This one is damaged as well, like broken, can even do nothing. New set of keys. I need a new fuel cap. Definitely I need that. What's the worst is you wanna see? Look at this. I know at first I don't know why. I don't have no idea why somebody did that. Why somebody should do that kind of stuff, or they stealing that kind of stuff right away. So look at this. Removing the seat, all kind of stuff. But the worst is this one. Look at this. This one is ECU plug, ECU computer. I need to put the scooter to lift this one, and then bam. Let's remove. ECU is gone, and plus I need new cables. This is very annoying now. I thought it was gonna be just like, you know, on the pictures where I saw like stolen, usually just this one, you know, maybe change locks, but I never expect ECU. How to get connected there or now? 100% I need new wiring. And what kind of wiring do I need? I don't have a clue. Lights as well, like it looks like. I'm not sure, can I polish this or not? Okay, got to remove the tank. And actually I found a number, 5VY82590. So I think this will be wires and cuts, everything loose, you know. I don't no idea why, you know. If somebody know why they're cutting like this, please let me know in comments below. I very appreciate. I'm waiting so much to start this kind of beast. Yamaha R1 2000. Zing, zing, zing. Oh yeah. Alright, that's all guys. If you have any questions or you have any tips how to do, like, you know, change this kind of Yamaha faster way, and like, or maybe have a good parts where I can get or something like that, and you done something before, any information will be super appreciated, because, you know, Yamaha is like a rocket. Zing, zing. Joking around, yeah. Alright, see you soon guys. Zing.